Hello, this is Hapless Lady, and for today's liniment is efficacent oil, particularly their regular variant. Because they have irregular variant?
What?
No. This is the extra strength. This is the regular. Our focus for today is this regular variant, green in color. And they almost have the same shade of green. Sa una, I can remember the color of the regular has a lighter green. Pero karon maragit-ngit na lagi kayo. Mura naman og mugukod sa extra strength. Pero kung mo change the agad background, maklaro nimo na it's still lighter green compared to the extra strength. The extra strength has more yellowish tinge than the regular one. As see-through pa si regular. Extra strength, darker na gid kay siya. So it depends on the background. It's still the light green I expected. So I got a batch that was produced in 2024 and will expire in 2029 because efficacent oil has a 5-year shelf life. This is unopened, so let's open now. Kagumkum lang ito. I really like the efficacent bottle because it's very thick. It does not easily break. I can smell the tigulang na baho. You know, efficacent oil is known for its tigulang scent. Pasensya na gyud mga tigulang kayo na associate magyud ang baho ni efficacent ninyo.
Sa una manggod ang tigamit og haplas, mga mama, mga lula mangyud nato.
I can smell methyl salicylate, camphor, and menthol because these are the active ingredients of efficacent oil. And it contains light mineral oil as its vehicle. It is this yellowish green on the skin. Maklaro gini mo nga na ay yellow, maklaro sa di mo nga na ay green. Compared here, green kay siya pero diri, naklaro na ang yellow color. Ang problem ng gyud aning mga haplas nga na ay colorants, kay mo stain gyud ni siya sa sinina, mo stain man gani sa skin, see? How much more sa clothes, especially white colored clothing. It's oily because it's made of oil. And let us smell. Humot kayang methyl salicylate. I don't really feel a very warm sensation nor a cold sensation because I applied it to an area of the skin which is not very sensitive to those kind of sensations. Here, this is sensitive but still, I haven't felt that very cold nor warm sensation. Wa ko gitugnaw, wa pud ko giinitan. Kani man kung efficacent regular, if you are a first time user of liniments and then you choose efficacent oil, entry level ra ni siya. This is an entry level liniment because it is not stinging, it does not bite, it does not hurt you. Mao bitaw nang nipagawa sila og extra strength kay kani siya, as in it is not that hot. Dili siya kanang gitawag naghalang. Halang is diri man ta na sa sensation sa mouth. Gigamit na pud na siya para sa pag-describe sa haplas. Dili siya nga nakahalang. If you cannot tolerate too much cold or too much warmth on your skin, efficacent oil regular is good for you. And also it is less staining. Mas brattle pud ni siya kay lesser man ang active ingredients. But this is perfect for massage. Maayo gyud ni siya kung magpahilot-hilot ka kay dili pug kaayo kainitan, ira pug kay katugnawon, and then enough greasiness, enough oiliness para sa pagmassage. Efficacent oil is one of the oldest liniments of International Pharmaceuticals Incorporated or IPI. Kung nakadugog mo sa commercial sa efficacent oil, di ba mo ingon man na nga IPI, tigama og efficacent oil. Mo na siya ang tigama sa efficacent oil ang IPI. And then makabalo ka nga legit ni siya nga IPI product is because of this cap with the IPI logo and then this one here, this part of the label na ay nakasulat na nga IPI. And then at the back also, nana siya design. Inig mahurot na ni ang contents diri. Makakita ka nga na siya mayon volcano, na siya drawing. And then it is important na siya batch number and then expiry dates. And ang iyahang drug registration sa FDA Philippines. So this variant of efficacent oil is better for massage because it contains more vehicle, which is the light mineral oil, and lesser active ingredients. Thank you for watching. See you next time, Hapless Angels.